Hello, friends, and welcome to my channel again. Today, I'm going to talk about a machine learning model that I have created. This is a NLP model, a natural language processing model, where I'm going to upload Word documents and I'm going to ask specific questions about the documents to my machine learning model, and let's see whether the machine learning model is able to give the answer correctly. Why I'm creating this model is because there is I foresee that there would be a lot of requirements from organizations, government organizations, where they would want to use machine learning model, but they are apprehensive, or they would have concerns regarding security of that document when uploaded online. So this is completely local based model. Everything is local. It does not require any internet connection, and it will get uploaded. It will be on local machine learning model. It will process the data and give you the output. So let me see some documents. I'm going to use three documents to start with and see whether it is able to read the documents, answer any type of questions that comes to my mind. And let me see, where is it. I will go with first one, which is synopsis of my first novel, and I'm opening it. Let me see if it is able to open and read the document. This is the document. Let me summarize and how it is, and I'm also going to explain what does it mean when I say summarize the document, whether it is able to summarize. And it is able to summarize the document. It says that this document, the title, contains approximately 169 words. I have reconfirmed it from Google Gemini and other GPT tools, whether number of words are correct or not. It also talks about the format, that is docx format that is there, and it seems quite a straightforward, simple thing. So what I have done is, whenever there is some summarize, some similar type of a word that is coming in, it should be able to generate this summary. If I ask specific question about the documents, let's say, when was the novel published? When was the novel published? Let's see if the AI is able to, local AI is able to answer it correctly. 2013, which is the right answer. And what is the title of the document? Who is the author? What is the title of the novel and who is the author? Let's see if this is powerful enough to answer two questions. Or title is to replace God, but it does not take or give me who is the author. So let's see. Author, it is not able to give. Why? Because there is no author name mentioned here in this particular context. So it is not giving the right answer. So it still needs to be, you can say, trained enough so that it does not give such answers like to replace God is not the title of the novel but not the author of it. And let's see how many friends are there. It this We are expecting it 7 friends, so let's see how many friends are there in the story. 7. So seems to be doing quite fine. Let me upload some other document and see. Let's see this Pritham US contact. What is the, so it has quite a lot of words. So let me first summarize. Summary. It has 617 words, and Pritham US contact is Darshan. So let's ask, who is Pritham Oswal's US contact? Let's see if it is able to understand and give us the right answer. Darshan, which is correct. Full name of Darshan. Full name of Darshan. Mr. Darshan Shah, which is right, and I'm going to try a third document to see what's whether we are able to understand it. Summary of this third document. IDFC privilege has 755 words. Let's see. It has some privileges of IDFC First Bank credit cards. So let me ask how many privileges, because the document um, has lot of text. I don't know how many privileges we are talking about here. So let's see. 1%. So this does not look that good as an output here. So I think here privilege it is talking about 1% fuel surcharge at petrol pump. So I can ask specific question about roadside assistance services. Tell me about roadside assistance services and see whether it is giving me the output. Tell me about roadside assistance services. Yeah, let's see if it is able to tell me that up to 4 times a year in a day when it is available. I am expecting 24 by 7. I don't know if it will be able to give me that answer up to 4 times a year. So still not up to the mark, but enough powerful, and we will be able to add more accuracy to it. What it does is it takes up this query and looks into the context, takes three relevant context of from the text that is there in the document. Within that, it then looks for the answer, matches it, and then the BERT model understands the context and tries to answer the question. So this is quite powerful, and this is my first machine learning model. So henceforth, I think we will do even better. But I wanted to show the power of machine learning and AI, and I'm hopefully you are impressed by it. If you have any questions regarding this on how I have built, or whether you have any requirements on building machine learning model, AI based models, so feel free to get in touch. Maybe uh, also give your feedbacks, and definitely together we can learn. So this is solely study purpose video, and I am not an expert in machine learning, but I look forward to each day learn and deploy machine learning model and become an expert in future. Thank you so much, and have a nice day.